As we're approaching the end of the year, you're probably thinking about that unused budget that you need to spend. It's time to put that budget to good use and maximize its potential. Whether it's upgrading your network infrastructure, refreshing your server hardware, or looking to bring your storage infrastructure back on-prem, now's the perfect opportunity to enhance your IT environment and set yourself up for success in the new year. At Pivot Global, we understand the importance of stretching every dollar and using that budget so you don't lose it. We can help you plan your next year's projects, whether that's professional services projects, a hardware refresh, or putting together a unique hybrid maintenance strategy for your entire IT estate. We've got you covered. And we'll leverage our strong OEM partnerships based on 20 years of trust to make sure you're getting the deepest discounts possible. Don't let that end of year budget go to waste. Reach out to us today and let's work together to creatively use this year's budget to tackle next year's projects. Hit us up at hello@pivotglobal.com or find us on the social platforms you use.